Hello, everybody. So first of all, I'd like to thank you for joining this course, and I want to welcome you. But I'm going to cut right to the chase because I hate long introductions. So I'm going to do a few things. I'm going to show you kind of what's what with this course. The second thing is that I'm going to tell you how to get the most out of your hard-earned money. So first of all, thank you. Thank you for spending your hard-earned money and your time to learn something from me. I do have years of experience teaching a ton of students, but I still really appreciate the fact that you have bought this course and joined this course. So, without further ado, looking at this course really quickly, we obviously have a bunch of lectures here. However, you're going to notice resources. These resources are going to help you a great deal, okay? Because there are some subjects where I could go on and on about something, but really it would be best for you to look at specific resources and then go from there. For instance, this is one of them. I could go in a video where I could tell you each one of these operators and what they do, but until you use them, it's not really going to do you much good. The second thing is you see here assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3. So here's the fact. You could watch the best lectures in the world. And I'm not the best lecturer in the world. And I'm not the best teacher in the world on this topic. But I'm going to promise you something right now. You're not going to learn how to code unless you're coding. Sometimes you might need a little help. This Q&A can be useful. Nobody's asked anything in there yet. However, I would say let's not trust Udemy to give me some kind of notification that there's been a question. So here's what we should do, folks. In the description of this video, there are 2 links. One of them is to this website here. Very simple website here. You'll notice 2 large buttons. These are the most important things. The first of which is a Discord server. So if you go to this Discord server, I'm in here. I have a couple of friends in here that are well versed in Python and cybersecurity, and they could also help answer questions when I'm not available. Some of these folks are on one half of the world, and I am on another half of the world. So literally, someone could be in here around the clock. Okay, so we have multiple channels in here, and we'll add more when we get more than 6 people in here. This is probably the best place to ask questions and get responses to your questions. Moving on really quickly, Zoom. Okay, why am I showing you Zoom? Because every week I'm going to hold a free session. Whether anybody shows up or not, that's up to you. But this part of the website will be edited for the latest time and the day of this free Zoom room. Additionally, any announcements about this will be made in this Discord server. In summary, what I recommend you do, the first and foremost, to learn properly, I need you to do all of these assignments that I have in here for you. If the code works, you did it correctly. The second thing, join the Discord server. The third thing, try to see if you can attend these weekly Zoom meetings. This is live. This is me. And either if one of you shows up or if 100 of you show up, that does not matter. It's going to be 1 hour long. Again, thank you so much for joining this course, and I hope that this provides a lot of value for you.